I got the BFS ultralight rod and reel combo today, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and try my luck and try to catch a carp. I've never caught a carp before, and this look how nice this is. Look how nice this is. It is amazing. It is just absolutely amazing. The water level is extremely low in this part of the river, and actually see some carp. So without further ado, let's go. I see some carp in that little pool, so I'm actually gonna go. There's water over there, and I'm gonna pick the smaller of it. I'm gonna pick this deeper pool right here, where this waterfall actually pulls into. And so you can actually see, I'm wearing polarized glasses, but I can see a couple carp here, maybe 2 or 3. What I'm doing here is pretty simple. I'm actually not covering the hook with the bread. So what I'm doing here is when the carp actually do suck the bread up, it's going to self-hook itself with that powerful suction. Basically what I'm doing now is just a waiting game. What I'm gonna do with the rest of the hamburger bread is chum around my hook. The chumming is gonna draw the carp out from the shadows, and I just hope that the carp will pick the bread with the hook. Now it's a waiting game. Actually see a carp right there. Using polarized glasses, I'm just waiting for a carp to actually get my bread.
2 hours later.
Oh, I see one. I see one. He's right there. Get it. Get it. Oh my God. I think he has it. I think he has it. Got you. Got him. I got him, guys. I got the carp. I did it. He took my bread. There's a huge carp right there, guys. Look how big this guy is. Oh, he doesn't know. I don't know how I'm gonna land her. Oh, right here in front of the, right here at Old Mission Dam. There's this a huge carp here using super ultralight line. I think this is my only passageway at the tire this carp out, because I have 8-pound braid on 3-pound fluorocarbon, and this guy is probably 6 or 8 pounds. He's pulling drag here. Don't want to horse this carp in because of the light line, and there's a lot of structure here. And this carp is smart. Look, he's going all the way into the tulies. He's trying to dig himself, but I'm trying to get him out of there. My rod is completely bendo. No. This carp is smart. He's trying to entangle himself with all the debris he can. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. Always best to have a net. You know me, never have a net. There's the carp. Oh, dude, this guy's huge. I'm gonna soft gill him so I'm not hitting his gill plate. Oh my God, got him. Oh my God, that's a huge carp. This is bigger than I thought. This guy is huge. Wow. It was a mission to catch a carp. Look at that little pool right here, and just amazing big carp. This guy is probably 10 pounds. I thought he was 5 or 6, but he's definitely 6. He's definitely 10 pounds. My first carp ever catching, and I was just using good old bread and a line, fishing here at Mission Dam, and just catching a beautiful carp. Gonna admire her a little bit and let her go. Look at that big old mouth. Just like suction cups right there. Oh my God. Huge. All right, Gotta let him go right here. Back to where she belongs. Out there. See you, buddy. There she goes. Swam nice and strong. To be caught again. That's awesome. I am trembling a little bit. That was a big fish. That was my first carp ever, too. Amazing opportunity to catch different species here in San Diego. And I'm just very blessed to be able to catch a carp, to catch a fish today. This is my setup, guys. So I have this little split shot right here, and probably a good 6 inches away from the hook and the split shot. Carp get so big because there's all these insects, there's all these food source from that dam right there that feeds into this little deeper pool. I hope you enjoy this video of me catching a carp. I hope this helps you guys catch your carp in the future. Give me a comment below, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate those likes, those comments, those positive feedback. Again, my name is Rodney Marquez, and always, thanks for watching. See ya. Can't help myself. Couldn't leave without catching a bass. And I caught that carp earlier. Had the itch to at least catch one bass. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Bye, my only friend.